We got up bright and early in the morning and we loaded on our tour bus. I'm unable to pronounce this Mayan ruins, but the interesting thing was the Mayans were here before the Aztecs. And there still are Aztecs and there still are Mayans. And the Mayans, or at least this group of Mayans, still can speak Mayan. And the difference between the Mayans and the Aztecs is the Aztecs were tall and they were thin, and the Mayans are short and kind of rounded.
Terrain, like gravel terrain, you will see rocks, you will see the roots of the trees, branches of the trees, so always pay attention where you're walking, where you're sitting, where you're stepping on. And I don't want to scare anyone today, but it's important for me to say it. In the Yucatan Peninsula, details about this, but they were coming with lettuce, onion, they are coming also with tomato, pepper as well. They have jalapenos. Those anyone here on board is allergic to any of the ingredients, pork or chicken, nothing like that. All right, so we don't have no problems with that. And also we're going to have one drink included today. That could be a margarita, that could be a beer, that could be probably a chaya, which is a delicious drink.